If you're working with a financial advisor or planner and they haven't asked for your tax returns, that's a red flag. When most people think about their tax returns, they think about their accountant that probably helped them put it together and file it. And they also think about the IRS who's going to receive that and make sure it's correct. And that's really the extent of what most people think about when they think about their tax returns. But to me, as a financial planner, I think about it as the start of something bigger. And that is as part of a financial plan that's working towards getting you where you want to go in life. You see, a tax return in the right hands is actually a roadmap that can show you a few different things. It shows you exactly how your money flows, from what you earn to what you're taxed, and any hidden opportunities that you may be able to take advantage of. And that's why, as a financial planner, I want to look at all of my clients and prospective clients' tax returns from the last few years because it tells us so much and it gives us an opportunity to do some real planning. The first thing it tells us is where you currently are today. Whether you're building wealth or living off of it, financial planning starts by knowing where you are. Your tax return is going to show you things like how much you earned, where it came from, how those different sources of income are taxed, and what you might have missed. For me, when I do my planning, seeing that is going to help me determine a few things. Are you using the right accounts, and are those accounts as tax efficient as they can be? Are you leaving money on the table? And does this show that you're in alignment with what you want to see happen with your life? Are you doing the things and taking advantage of the things that are going to get you to where you want to be? Your tax return gives me an opportunity to understand how much you're making and where those sources of income are coming from. It gives me an idea of how much you can properly save and invest, hopefully without compromising your lifestyle. And for those clients who are getting close to taking out income or are in the income receiving phase of their life, it shows us how your income is being generated through sources like Social Security, annuities, pensions, and any other sources that you may have. And it tells us, are you drawing income in a tax efficient manner? Because the last thing that we want to do is give the government more money than we need to. Reviewing tax returns also helps me guide my clients through life events and life changes. Getting married, having kids, changing jobs, retiring, even deaths in the family. All of those events should come with planning and should come with a review of your tax return. And reviewing that tax return is going to help me guide you in whether you should make pre-tax or Roth contributions in your company retirement plan, how that affects you cash flow wise and tax wise for the year. It also helps me guide my clients in shifting their investment strategies as they get closer to retirement. And it gives us an opportunity to plan for the future. Can we lower your taxable burden before your income either spikes or drops? All of that is part of the financial planning process. And so is uncovering other hidden opportunities as well. Opportunities like a year of low income that presents an opportunity for possible Roth conversions. Unused tax losses that you could use to offset any future gains that you may have. And missed HSA contributions and deductions that could be captured this year. These aren't just tax savings that are affecting your tax return. They're planning moments that are going to have a real impact on your future. And part of that is also monitoring how your future income now may affect you later on. This is especially true for older clients getting close to or already at the age of claiming their Medicare benefits. You see, today's income can affect your Medicare premiums down the line, and we want to make sure that we can monitor that and plan accordingly. And for the younger clients out there, I'm reviewing your return to see how student loan repayments or income growth may impact your taxes or eligibility for some benefits. The tax return is there to help us anticipate and not just react. And for those of you who invest in real estate and have side hustles, it's important that your advisor is reviewing your tax return for other planning opportunities. Are you maximizing the deductions available to you? Is your business structured properly and in a way that's tax efficient and beneficial to you? And could you benefit from changing how you're taxed? All those are things that we can pull from a tax return. And when we do planning, those are important things that are going to affect you down the line. If you're working with a financial advisor or planner and they haven't asked for your tax returns, that's a red flag. Because the truth is, without seeing your tax return, they're not seeing your full picture. And that has a negative effect on you because you could be missing out on some real planning opportunities. Real opportunities to grow your wealth, cut your taxes, and eventually live life on your own terms. Reviewing your tax return is where smart financial planning starts. So make sure you're working with a professional who is reviewing your tax returns on a regular basis. Otherwise, you're missing out on some real planning gold. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more educational videos coming out in the future. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll see you soon.